Okay, hi, welcome to Doodlebot. We are the developers for the Doodlebot, and briefly, Doodlebot is a modern whiteboard which works like a computer that overcome the limitation of traditional whiteboard. And then the tool is to improve the teaching and learning in the class and also presentation, like in any kind of environment. Okay, so before we start, may I ask what should I call you?
Call me Tan.
Tan. Okay, atau Hua Min. Okay, okay, Tan. So basically, what you are going to do today is Oh, before that, sorry, I forgot to. What is this for? This is for to develop the product with the best quality. So basically, we are asking you to test the prototype in the interface and see how's your experience with it, and we improve by learning the what's not good about it. And then what you are going to do today is that we are going to give you 3 scenarios to complete 3 different tasks one at a time, and I already sent you the link for the Figma, and that is the prototype. You can interact with it by clicking on the doodlebot on the interface. Okay, so the instruction is that when testing, you are encouraged to think out loud. Basically, you say what you are thinking currently. Like for example, if I look at my Discord, I see a lot of chat at the left side, and I see a voice chat, so I will click on it, something like that lah. So that's what you should do. And if you encounter any like big problem and you cannot proceed, you just say terminate, and we will stop the testing for you. And lastly, after everything is done, we will ask you of like 4 questions to uh understand what you're going through, your experience with the interface. And then I
Okay.
need your consent about this. So basically, I just read it. Before we start, I would like to ask your permission to record this static interview session for the use of our project. And your name will not be published, and you will stay anonymous. None of your information will be used in the project other than the testing and the interview sessions video. You may choose to proceed with consent or decline if you wish to. So what's your answer?
Okay, proceed.
Okay. Okay, so if there's no question, we can just start. Okay, so let's focus on the screen. So task 1 is about inserting a table. So you can just click start, getting started. Yep.
Okay, I shall start.
And you can start insert a table by clicking on the table. Then I will
Say
stop speaking.
table. That will be table. Okay, I see. I suppose this is okay. Cool. Okay.
Okay, that will be all for task 1. Now we will start for task 2. You may press R to restart the prototype. Okay, so your task 2 is to insert a template.
Okay, you want to insert
So you
template.
just click start and find template.
I will find a template. Any template. Okay, I'm just going to throw in this. What? Negative.
Okay,
Negative.
that will be all for task 2. Now you can press R again and proceed with task 3, which will be importing a file and sharing the whiteboard file, which you can click start by clicking the create whiteboard.
Okay, you want me to import export? Okay.
Yeah.
There's this thing. Yeah, all of the rest is. This is the only option I can do, huh? What is this?
Okay, so now open the file. Now you have to share the file. And then here you can copy the link, and that's will be all for task 3. Okay, that's all for the testing part. So now I'm gonna ask you a few questions to understand your experience. So first of all, I want to ask you what was easy during the testing.
What was easy during the testing? Going through the process overall. Thing. I think when you understand is quite easy. By the
Okay.
start, you need to figure out what is what first.
Okay. So second question is what was difficult.
The icons that do not have labels in them, that I find might be confusing for first timers.
Okay. For the third question is any suggestion for improvement.
Improvement is perhaps better labeling of everything, so when you direct somebody to do something, they will understand what to find.
Okay. For the last question is that would you use our system and why?
For teaching purposes, I can see why it is useful. I could recommend this if it's much more refined and for educational purposes.
Okay, that's all for our interview session. Thank you very much for attending this.